Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from Happiness.com, and we're doing a super quick unboxing of the Rapoo V20 Pro gaming mouse. So what I have here on the other side naman is the V280. This is what I actually use every day. I bought this model sa V16 pala. V16, not the V280. I bought this sa Silicon Valley. Okay? This is available in Silicon Valley, Complink, and PC Express. Same with the V20 Pro. The V20 Pro is priced at 1,475 pesos right now. So yan, kita nyo. Ganda ng packaging niya, no? So we'll move it. Okay. So it's a China brand, It's made in China also, as far as I know. One of the things that good here is there's adjustable 7 Dpi values. So iba-iba siya. From 100 to the maximum of 8,000. I don't know exactly yung dun sa iba, no? Because I haven't tested it, of course. And there's supposed to be a LED multicolor light system with 16 million colors. So you can turn it green, blue, or red, or whatever na gusto mo. You can easily change it, diba? Okay, so sabi nila. So we're gonna open it, we're gonna unbox it. We're gonna do a quick unboxing right now. I have my trusty switchblade here. Okay. Nasira akong box. Okay. Okay. So it has a user manual. Okay. Quick start guide and all this stuff. Yeah, English. It has different languages. Okay. So sabi niya plug in lang. So these are the parts. Right button, left button, scroll wheel, middle button, DPI button. So DPI button ito. Okay. Yung D. Plus. Siya yung plus. Yung E na sa ilalim is minus. Okay. Yung F niya back, and G is forward yung sa gilid. Okay? So let's show you the unit. So ayan yung pagkabak niya, maganda nakatago sa ilalim. Okay, so may cover yung USB niya. It's gold plated. And as you can see, there's a big difference in the way it looks compared to the V16. Okay, the V16 is the entry level entry level of Rapoo. So okay, so apparently you can plug it into a power bank, hindi siya magla-light on. So we'll open my laptop. It works kasi if you just want to see the light. Yung V16 ngayon is just plug into the Okay, anyway, so we're plugging it into my laptop right now here. An Acer laptop that I bought. See? Wow, ganda. Well, let's turn off the lights. Let's swing the lights away. Gundo. So, yung sides niya, it's made of rubber. Parang, ano yung tawag niya? Serrated. So, parang hindi madulas. And then, this is the DPI buttons. So, it's plug and play. Okay. Oh, galing. Changing color. So, as you can see, balikan natin yung ilaw. Meron siyang yung dito, parang may pakpak. So, medyo comfy sa kamay mo pag pinagpapin natin. Okay. So, it's very different with the V16. Okay. But the cords are the same. It's using braided cords to protect the wires inside. I like the cords na ganito. Ang ganda. So, it's available at PC Express, Silicon Valley, and Complink. It's 1,475 pesos only. So, there's 3 models, the V280, the V16, and the V20 Pro. So, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!